Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy's 1973 to 1987 K20. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Remove the rivets retaining the factory rear cab mount crossmember. Use a hole punch to punch out the rivets. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Then, spray the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Using a hammer, tap your replacement rear cab mount crossmember into place using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Once you have your crossmember aligned with the frame holes, insert the included hardware where the rivets were originally located. Tighten them with a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!